So you cleared that job interview, got the job offer also. Then your dream job suddenly seems out of reach. Could it be background check issue? Actually, it happens more often than you think. So hey everyone, welcome to HR 8 Minutes with another fascinating topic, that is how employees should deal with the failed background checks. So in this video, I'll guide you through what to do if your background checks throws a wrench in your job search. And I'll also talk about common reasons for which your BGV can fail and what are the consequences in such cases and how you can avoid yourself getting into this trap. So don't let a failed background check hold you back. So background checks are conducted to verify a candidate's personal employment and educational history. While background checks are essential to ensure that employers hire the right candidate, many job seekers fail to pass these checks due to various reasons. So the first reason for this is, this is one of the most common reason for people failing the background checks, that is the criminal history. Companies conduct criminal background checks to ensure that the candidates do not have a criminal history that would jeopardize the firm or its employees. Secondly, employers may check your work history to ensure that you have the necessary skills and experience for the position. Employers may be suspicious if you submit misleading information about your employment history or experience. Thirdly, employers may also verify your education and credentials to confirm that you meet the employment requirements. And if you lie about your education or credentials, it might be a substantial barrier to acquiring the job. In the fourth reason, credit checks may be performed by employers to assess your financial responsibility. If you have a bad credit history, it may imply that you are not financially responsible, which may reduce your chances of being hired. And lastly, employers may administer drug testing to candidates to ensure that they are not taking any illegal drugs. And if you fail a drug test, it might be a major impediment to gain the job. Failing a background check can be a significant obstacle to getting a job, and employers conduct background checks to ensure that they hire the right candidate. So it's crucial to be transparent and truthful about your personal employment and educational history. And by avoiding the common reasons why people fail background checks, you can increase your chances of getting the job you want. Failure to pass a background check can have a serious ramification for your work and personal life. So the first consequence says that your failure to pass a background check can result in the loss of job opportunity, because companies may withdraw a job offer if a candidate fails the background check, as this may suggest that the candidate is unsuitable for the position. Secondly, falsifying information on a job application or resume may result in legal consequences, and that could be considered as a fraud, and you could face legal consequences, penalties, or even imprisonment. Thirdly, failing to conduct a background check can harm your reputation both professionally and personally. Explaining to future employers why you failed a background check can be difficult, and it may result in the loss of future work possibilities as well. Next, failing a background check may result in financial ramifications such as missing out on a high-paying employment opportunity or being rejected for a loan or credit. Lastly, certain jobs require a security clearance, and failing a background check may result in security clearance denial, making the job unattainable. So failing a background check can be disastrous, but there are things you can take to ensure you succeed in this process. So in this section, I'm going to share some pointers on how to avoid failing a background check. So before sharing the steps to avoid BGV failure, just want to ask one small question. Are you finding this video useful? And am I adding something to your knowledge today? If so, then please hit that like button and mention your thoughts in the comment section, because it motivates me to bring such informative videos for you all. And if you are interested to know more about it, HR concept, HR processes, performance management, HR policies, and many more such topics, then please hit that subscribe button as well and bell icon right now, because here on this channel you will find the complete solution to all your queries related to human resource management. Now let's quickly get back. So the first and the most important component in passing a background check is honesty. Be honest about your personal, employment and educational history, and do not try to hide anything that may come up in a background check. In the second step, when you are applying for a job, examine your own background to ensure that the information is correct. You can utilize online background check services to evaluate your criminal history, credit history, and other information that may come up in a background check. In the third step, if you discover any anomalies in your background check, such as errors about job dates or school information, take the necessary action to rectify them. You can update the information by contacting past employers or educational institutions. In the next step, companies may use online searches to evaluate a candidate's online reputation. So avoid posting anything unpleasant or controversial online because it may affect your ability to pass a background check. In the fifth step, if you have a criminal background or have made a mistake in the past, tell your potential employer about it, describe the circumstances around the error and what you have done to make things right. Now, before you start looking for a job, work on improving your credit history. That is, clear off any outstanding debts or bills and ensure your credit record is current and updated. Last step, stay away from the drugs if you are applying for a job that requires a drug test, even if they are legal in your location. Even if you use them outside of work, it can make it difficult to pass a drug test and get that job. So by summarizing this video, just want to say that failing background check can be a huge setback in your career path. So it's crucial to take steps to ensure that your background check is accurate and favorable. By being honest on your application, checking your own background and correcting any discrepancies, you can increase your chances of passing a background check. Remember, it's better to be upfront and transparent than to be caught lying or hiding information. So with these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way back to passing your next background check with flying colors. I hope now you are clear with what to do in case you come across with these situations of a failed background verification. Please share your feedback in comment section and also drop into comment section if I missed any kind of information related to this process. And not to forget, subscribe the channel to get more useful videos like this.